This is the definitive guide to solving Facebook ad account restrictions. I faced this exact problem, spent countless hours testing solutions, and finally found reliable methods to get accounts reinstated. I am going to share those proven strategies with you right now. First, you must appeal the restriction directly. Facebook has an appeal process because their automated systems sometimes make errors or miss details. Providing clear evidence and explaining your situation helps their human reviewers understand your side, often leading to a quick reinstatement. It's like telling your story to get a fair review. Next, verify your account identity. When Facebook flags inauthentic behavior, they often suspect fake accounts or scams. By submitting valid identification and business documents, you prove you are a legitimate advertiser. This builds trust and shows you meet their safety standards, which is crucial for getting your account back. It's like showing your ID to prove you are real. Then, carefully review your ad content for compliance. Inauthentic behavior can often be linked to ads that accidentally break Facebook's advertising rules. Maybe an ad used misleading language or violated a policy. By checking your past ads and removing any non-compliant content, you eliminate a major reason for the restriction. It's like cleaning up your work to avoid future problems. Finally, secure your account to prevent future issues. Sometimes restrictions happen because your account might have been compromised or your actions, like sudden spending changes, looked suspicious to Facebook's automated systems. Enabling two-factor authentication and maintaining consistent, predictable advertising behavior will protect your account from bad actors and avoid triggering future red flags. It's like locking your door and following the rules to stay safe.